Hi there! Want the steps to choose whether you want to save passwords in Google Chrome on your Windows 7 based PC? Well, I'm here to help you do just that. At iYogi, we try to help computer users get answers to their tech queries. You should know that Google Chrome saves the usernames and passwords for different websites you visit. The browser then automatically completes the sign-in fields for you when you visit these websites again. So, here's how you can choose whether you want to save passwords in Google Chrome on your computer system. Follow me. Open Google Chrome. Click the wrench icon on the browser toolbar. Select Options. Click the Personal Stuff tab. To adjust your password settings in the Passwords section, select Offer to save passwords if you want Google Chrome to prompt you to save your password every time you sign in to a new website. Else, select Never Save Passwords if you don't want Google Chrome to ever save your passwords and then click Close. So, you see, the steps shown in this video can help you choose whether you want to save passwords in Google Chrome on your Windows 7 based PC without any problem. Don't you just love technology? At iYogi, we're always here to help you get more out of your PC, along with its related software and programs. If you have questions on antivirus, security, protection, or on how to work your other devices with your PC, such as syncing your printer, MP3 player, camera or router, etc., just give us a call. We'd be delighted to help. Go ahead, have fun with your PC. Good karma.